Connecting Supabase with FlutterFlow allows you to build mobile and web applications that interact with your Supabase database. Here's how you can integrate Supabase in FlutterFlow. Create Supabase project. Sign up or log into Supabase and create a new project. Note your Supabase URL and anon key or service key. Set up FlutterFlow. Open your FlutterFlow project and navigate to the API integration section. Add Supabase API integration. Click on Add API and select Custom API from the list. Enter a name for the API. Set the base URL using your Supabase URL. For authentication, add the Supabase anonymous key or service key as a header. Integrate Supabase API. Use Supabase's HTTP API to perform CRUD operations. Get data. Add data. Authentication. For user authentication, Supabase provides an easy-to-use authentication system. Handle real-time updates. Supabase offers real-time subscriptions for handling live updates in FlutterFlow applications.